Indian forces continued their violent cordon and search operations and house raids in different areas of occupied Kashmir. According to Kashmir Media Service, Indian troops continued the massive cordon and search operations on the third day today in Saidpura Sopore area of the North Kashmir's Baramulla district. A top official told the media that the CASO was launched on Wednesday late afternoon after receiving an input about the movement of Mujahideen in the area. Two new battalions of the Indian Central Armed Paramilitary Forces personnel were deployed by the Indian government in twin districts of Rajouri and Poonch. According to Kashmir Media Service, the CAPF personnel earlier deployed in North Kashmir's Kupwara, Baramulla and Bandipora districts. Now its two new battalions were deployed in Rajouri and Poonch districts to silence the voices of the people demanding the right to self-determination. All parties, Hurriyat Conference leaders and parties have said that Kashmiris have been fighting against India's illegal occupation of their homeland and political injustice since 1947 and urged the United Nations to resolve the Kashmir dispute in accordance with its own relevant resolutions. According to Kashmir Media Service, the APHC leaders said that the Bharatiya Janata Party-led government's systematic campaign aimed at bringing material and cultural change in the occupied territory was in complete violation of the UN resolutions and the Geneva Convention. Working President of Indian National Congress in occupied Kashmir, Raman Bhalla, has hit out at the Bharatiya Janata Party for destroying the identity and rights of the Kashmiri people and said it is deliberately delaying the holding of early assembly elections in the territory. According to Kashmir Media Service, Raman Bhalla, addressing a function in Jammu, said instead of addressing the grievances of the people, the authorities participated in photo sessions to get cheap publicity. Convener of the All Parties Hurriyat Conference Azad Jammu and Kashmir chapter, Mahmood Ahmad Sagar, has strongly condemned the decision of Narendra Modi-led fascist Indian government to ban the main procession of Eid Miladun-Nabi from Lal Chowk to Srinagar. According to Kashmir Media Service, Mahmood Ahmad Sagar, in a statement issued in Islamabad, said apart from banning the main procession, Indian Forces personnel raided the residences of Hurriyat leaders, human rights activists, journalists and common people. Jammu and Kashmir Young Men's League organized a rally in connection with Eid Miladun-Nabi in Srinagar today. According to Kashmir Media Service, the rally was led by the patron of Young Men's League, Imtiaz Ahmad Reshi, and was participated by hundreds of the party activists and madrasa students. Over 3 months after Sikh leader Hardeep Singh Nijjar's killing in Surrey, Canada, posters calling for the killing of the Indian diplomats are still up outside a Gurdwara. According to Kashmir Media Service, the poster reads, "Assassination wanted," with 3 Indian diplomats' photos. Nijjar's face is also on the poster.